Do you want to shop like a billionaire? Only one application will make you feel so. That is Temu. For all these Temu products, I have used the 100-pound coupon bundle. And guess what? It was a jackpot! This is my first home and kitchen haul from Temu, and trust me, this marketplace is really next level. Their prices are unbelievable. There is no delivery charges and 90 days return policy. So now let me show you what I got from Temu. This is a 5-slot 360-degree rotating makeup brush organizer. A set of 6 pieces kitchen strainer draining basket. One piece of bird automatic plant water. Kitchen fork, spoon and pot lid holder. A multifunctional cooking utensil rest. 2-pack silicone oven meets pot holder set. One travel portable toothbrush cup. One stainless steel food cleave and filter mass tongs, perfect for oil frying and strainer ladle kitchen task. Multi-layer bag dustproof washable double-sided hanging bag rack. One-piece Christmas tree Santa Claus sticker. Christmas tree-shaped snack tray, perfect for holiday entertainment. Vertical striped glass cup with a glass straw. Mini LED desk lamp. Super bright rechargeable flashlight. One USB light. Multi-layer large capacity family medicine storage box. Mini electric massage equipment. Last but not the least, a multifunctional pillow. Thank you so much guys for watching my first home and kitchen haul from Temu. Don't waste your time, download the application now and use the £100 coupon bundle. I have shared all the link in the description below. So get the application now and shop like a billionaire only with Temu.